God have mercy upon us.
That character you are looking for in a woman, your mother get her.
Jesus.
You know understand? If you don't work on your character as a man, you might not even see a good wife to marry. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Off the camera now.
We head on. You can download it anywhere, whether it's YouTube. But I want to use TikTok now. Just open your TikTok. Search for funny sound or comedy sound. Wait, my TikTok. You open your TikTok like this. Just head over to search. Search here. This is search. Then click on it. Search for Nigeria comedy sound. You will see many comedy sound. Let me tell this one. You hear this one? Yeah. Let me check another one. Oh, this one not dead. See this one. Let me check another one. You see, just search anyone here. See this one.
God have mercy upon us.
Okay. We are going to use this one. So come to this share button. Share button. Click on share button. You see download, right? This download here. Click on download. The thing have already downloaded. You can send to WhatsApp. You can leave it. Then let's head over to CapCut to add the sound. Open your CapCut. Open new video. Then the video you want to add the sound, you bring it in. Let me just bring this video in. You see? Then add. You play the video. You see? Maybe you want to add the sound here now. Come down to this place, to audio. Click on audio. You will see sound. Either you use sound or extract. Let me click on extract. You say extract and the add audio. See our sound. See the sound here now. This is the sound. Click on it to extract. Click on extract. The sound have already entered. Play it.
And I have people.
You see. Let me split this video and silence it so you can hear the sound. Click on the main video, split, then silence the video, reduce the volume, then mark good.
That character you are looking for in a woman, your mother get her.
Jesus.
You know understand? If you don't work on your character as a man, you might not even see it.
You hear it? This is how the thing work. Just how to add all this comedy sound. Anyone, some will say blood of Jesus. It's the same thing. Just go to your TikTok, search for anyone you want to add on your video, add it without wasting time. Then the main video now, if you want to edit it, you are the one that will know what you need. Let me just edit this one now, small.
God, I have people.
If you just want to hear this message, say, then you split the sound. Then the other remaining maybe here now. You split again and silent the sound. Click on volume to silent the sound. Anything you want to silent, just click on the volume. Here now, silent the sound. Then click on the main video, click on volume, increase the volume. Oh yeah, let us play it again.
Let me tell you this right now. If you're unwilling to invest in yourself, you will never be successful.
Never. God, and I have people. Never. And I have people all the time. And I have people all the time saying, well, John, will you sponsor me? No.
You hear it? So this is how to add the sound. Then you can export your video now. Just export your video, normal. Check this place, okay? Is it normal? Then just export it. Export your video.